Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned to see how Grady and I make these delicious mini matcha pancakes, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing we did was add half a cup of flour. Then I'm gonna add a heaping teaspoon of matcha powder. You can add less if you don't want it to be so potent. And I'm gonna sift this to get it to be more fine and mix in well with the flour. Add a teaspoon of baking soda and some salt, and then just mix that together until it's well blended. Now I'm adding half a cup of vanilla soy milk. That's just my preference. You can add whatever kind of milk you like. And we're gonna add half an egg. So just put it in a cup and beat it, and then pour half of that into the bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add a tablespoon or a capful of oil. I'm using olive oil. This step is optional, but I'm going to add 2 drops of green food coloring to make the color more vibrant. And now we are just going to try and get this in a little bottle so that it's easier to control the batter when we're cooking the mini pancakes. If you don't want them to be mini pancakes, then you can just pour it into the pan however you like it. We tried to funnel it in, and obviously we're having some trouble getting it to actually go down. So I just decided to spoon it in, just a teaspoon at a time, and it was pretty easy to get it in the bottle. Now we're just adding some butter to this pan, and I'm gonna start squeezing the matcha pancake batter into the pan in circular motions until I fill it up. This recipe was really fun and easy to make. I highly recommend trying it yourself and maybe experimenting with different flavors and shapes. I noticed how using the bottle for the batter gave me a lot more control, so then I started trying heart-shaped pancakes and really just had some fun. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I just wanted to give these matcha pancakes a try because I've been seeing them all over Instagram lately and it really inspired me to make it myself. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And give these pancakes a try yourself. Bye!